Hey, it's Kelly. Today I'm going to install the folding front shelf for the Pro 575 Traeger smoker slash grill. Why it didn't already come with one. For $700 you would think it'd have a shelf, but nope, it doesn't. So I just ordered one. I want to say it was around $69 off of Amazon. You can get the same price at Ace and some other places, and I'll have a link if you want to buy it from my site. Go to the description of the video and I'll have a link there. So let's open this up, see what we got. I'm assuming that I'll probably need a screwdriver and a box cutter to get the tape off. In here, see a bracket. Left, it's got L on it. Left. This one says right. And then the shelf. And the instructions. So let's go over to the grill and install this sucker. Step 1 says, with the Traeger grill in the upright position, remove the 4 screws located on the sides of the grill barrel. These will be used for mounting the folding shelf bracket assemblies. So these are, I guess tried it, they're Phillips head. It looks like there's a washer. I learned things the hard way. Just listen to me for 1 minute and it'll make getting these screws out of your Traeger grill a lot easier when you're wanting to install the folding shelf onto the 575 Pro. As you can see, I stripped these. They're in there really tight. You've got 2 on each side that you have to remove. So here's how you do it. Step 1 would be to heat up your grill. I heated up mine to 300. Then use a normal screwdriver and try to get it out. It should work. Now if that does not work, get some pliers and just put your pliers right on the edge of the head and twist. Because these are weak screws, they strip real easy. So that's what I would do. I did things the opposite. I first tried to unscrew manually without heating up the grill. Could not get any of the 4 to budge. Then I heated up the grill and I was able to get the 2 out. And the 2 I was able to get out were the ones that I had not tried to unscrew and strip already. So that meant I had 2 that had to figure out how to do. I tried my screw bit extractor. That didn't work. And then I figured out, oh, I could just use the pliers. So save yourself a lot of grief. I've seen other people have the same problem, so it's a common thing on these screws, trying to get them out. So now it's time to actually install the shelf. Really should read all the directions because I might have just screwed up, because it says step 2, insert the left shelf bracket assembly onto the left side of the grill barrel and secure using the removed screws from step 1. So those are the ones that I stripped. So maybe I could tighten them using the pliers, but that sucks. I guess I'm gonna get some new screws to fit that. But for now, I guess I'll try to reuse the ones I had. I thought these screws that came with it were for that purpose, but apparently they're not. We'll see. Well, let's move on and try it. Pretty much able to tighten them with my pliers. They ain't going nowhere. Alright, there's 2. We'll do the same thing with the right. Okay. Step 2, I think, is complete. Directions. Insert the front shelf onto the shelf supports so that the slots align with the holes in the shelf supports. Insert the shoulder bolts through the slots in the shelf and into the threaded inserts. See figure 3. I think it sounds more complicated than it is. So this part right here, that's going to be on the outside of the bracket. Kind of like so. I'm just going to hand tighten. Other ones, wherever I put them, I don't know. Okay. It's on there. And when I don't want it, I lift it up. This one a little too tight. Lift up, hold down. So maybe it should be like that, and then tighten these up. Okay. Yeah. Okay, there we have it. Good. Take my little sticker off. Now we have it. Very good. I will make use of that. Just don't make a mistake like me with your screws.